Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're going to plow with the John Deere 3025E again today. We're going to just clean up. It's above freezing now. We still have, I don't know, a couple inches of snow that fell that we haven't cleaned up yet. Plus we need to push it all back. Now today, the snow pusher, this is a 6-foot wide HLA 1500 snow pusher, which works really good on this John Deere. It's not too heavy, but yet it cleans up good. Now, we always ran weight on the back of the tractor, and I used it without anything on the back of the tractor the other day, and it actually seemed to be better. The front wheels got more traction, so you could do what you needed to do. Today's a totally different snow, but I am going to put we've got I think it's actually only a 5-foot back blade for it's a Frontier brand or whatever. We have a quick hitch on this tractor, so it's easy to hook up. And so I'm gonna go throw the back blade on. But this tractor with this style chain, if you angle the back blade, you're not gonna do anything. It's just gonna slide the tractor sideways. So I'll just keep the back blade straight. Maybe I'll try it here and there, but I'm thinking with today's snow, it's slippery. It's just gonna be better off just keeping her straight and going from there and cleaning up with it and pushing snow back. We're gonna have warm up for a day or two, rain tomorrow I think they're saying, and then back today's Sunday, back by the end of the week, Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, we're back to snow again. So let me try setting this right here. I'm gonna put it on top of the loader bucket or frame this time and see how it does. So let's get her fired up and get the back blade on, and we'll see how it goes. Didn't even hardly go plug, it's warm enough today. It hooked it, but I'm not sure if I got it right yet. Let's see. No, definitely didn't hook it right. It's got to still pinch down in here yet. And I don't know, this back blade's been one of the worst ones as far as the quick hitch to get it on, and it bends the pin. My kid was using it and it wasn't working well, so he took it off. But this style back blade, it catches things wrong. Yep, the pin's bent again. It bends the pin because there's nothing on the bottom side to help catch, so the pin is actually bent in there. I'll probably end up having to cut that out with the torch again. Yeah, that pin won't come out of there, so I gotta decide whether I'm gonna torch that out or just try it. I think I'm gonna go torch it out, otherwise it's just gonna be annoying and slide the tractor sideways all day, so. Show you what's going on with this stupid back blade. We bought this back blade. It's a Frontier. It was used. We bought it at a John Deere dealer. So that's the model number or whatever. Thinking that it'll hook up on the quick hitch. Perfect. That we got the quick hitch on the John Deere. The last back blade we bought, used from the John Deere dealer, it did all kinds of stuff. So you could cut ditches and all kinds of stuff. But what it did is this main beam coming from here, it stretched the back blade itself down out here, and this little tractor wouldn't pick it up far enough. So we sold that, or actually no, my dad's got that back blade. He uses it on a little tiny tractor just for clearing out his driveway, but whatever. So this back blade here we thought would be better. Everything's up tighter, but there's nothing. See how this pin sticks down? It needs a tab welded on here to help support this pin. When the back blade gets to rocking around, you hit something out on the end of the blade and it bends that pin. I don't know how many times we've had to cut the pin off, and it's sitting right there. I just cut it off so I can straighten it out. Now today, probably doing it straight, it won't do it. But as soon as you angle it, you start catching things, it's just no good. The engineers have never used anything in their life, so they don't have a clue, and that's why I'm sure this back blade got traded back in for something different, because I'm sure the first guy that bought the thing didn't like it. And it actually, it really doesn't pick up high enough on this tractor either, so I don't know what to do with as far as getting one that'll pick up high enough. Maybe we got to get a Tractor Supply brand one or something, I don't know. But for now we can go back to plowing snow. inside the barn, I put a pipe out from the planer. So I took the window out, cut a couple boards so I could stick the pipe out. So I'm blowing all my sawdust out here. I want to clean that up and get rid of that because I can get rid of the snow and the sawdust and everything, not have a mess in the spring. But the way things are thawing today, that barn roof should be unloading at some time. That's all metal roof. When that decides to unload, it's all coming off there. And I don't think I want to be underneath there when that does that. So I think that'll wait till a different day. taking this back blade off is really simple though. I'll put that jack stand down, I'll flip the two levers up, you'll see I just back up, let the thing down, and drive away. It's like nothing. The leveler, you set it down, the easier it is to hook it up next time, but other than that, it comes off really easy compared to the old ones. Well, he's still monkeying around with the skid steer a little bit, but other than that, the tractor, because of the chains, make it so, I mean, it just doesn't spin or anything. A couple spots there when I was pushing back that bank, I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but straight in front of us was our truck that has a flag on it. And if that snowbank gets too tall, you can't see it from the house. So that's the good way we check the wind, and we just like to see it. So we always, I try to push that snowbank down, and the tractor was actually, the whole thing was right out on snow there. The ground drops off there, and there's like a lower driveway or whatever. We push the snow out onto that, but other than that, you have to use the tractor to back itself back off. You know, you're just like with a bucket, you're just putting that down, and this tractor isn't strong enough or heavy enough to bend that HLA snow pusher. It's been really good, and it works really good 90% of the time, but it doesn't clean up like a snowplow. So other than that, I think that's about the end of this video, and hopefully we get some rain, knock some of this snow down, and then we're gonna get more snow. So thanks for watching. Too deep for the four-wheeler today. And once it buried this wet, heavy snow, it was like a suction cup in there. It wasn't moving. All right, like I talked about, it unloaded today. It's only a little bit left up there, but oh, here comes a little piece. It pretty much fills our driveway when it comes down, so it's a lot of snow. So now he'll move it with the skid steer. Thanks for watching.